Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. Today is Tuesday, March 16th, and I have some very exciting news, which is I have finally finished my complete educational video course. Something that I've been working on for the past few months now. At times it felt like I would never get it finished, but I did, and I've just put it up online. So finally, and to celebrate the completion of my course, I am going to offer anybody watching this video 50% off my course for the next week. So like I said, it's Tuesday the 16th of March right now, and I'm going to extend this offer for the next week. So anytime between right now and next Tuesday, if you send me a personal email to lonewolftradingclub@gmail.com, just write me and say, hey, I saw your YouTube video, I'd like to get 50% off your course. I will email you a 50% off coupon. So I'll do this for anybody that writes me an email in the next week, just to say thanks for watching the channel and supporting me. I know this channel is small, and honestly, that doesn't bother me at all because I actually make my living by trading. So I don't need to like monetize this channel or anything. I just do this because it's fun for me to do. I enjoy it. It's one of the things that I do with all the extra hours of free time that I have because I make my entire living in about 5 hours per week. But anyway, if you go to the site lonewolftradingclub.com, you'll see the course on there. You'll see a couple other things I've got, like one-on-one coaching. I've got trade analysis. So if you're already doing a lot of trading on your own and you just wanted to get a second opinion to have a look at what you're doing, I can definitely give you advice as to what you're doing well, what you could improve on, all that good stuff. So there's a number of different things that I'm offering on the site. But the main reason of this video today is to just say I'm finally finished. I know I've been saying that for a long time, but it's actually happened. And to celebrate, I'm giving you 50% off. So just write me, lonewolftradingclub@gmail.com, or check out the site, Lone Wolf Trading Club, and check out the course. And now that I'm actually done making the course, I can get back to creating more content of just daily trade breakdowns and analysis of trades that I'm actually taking. So you can expect to see a little bit of uptick in the amount of content that I'm making now that I'm finished with the course. So that's it. Happy trading, good luck with everything, and I will see you soon with some more new videos. Take care.